So as an international student, it is very difficult to cook every single meal or to buy every single meal every day. So this video is all about how you can manage your entire week without cooking in the cheapest possible way or the healthiest way. So let's get started. So first of all, I want to give you the biggest incentive of eating healthy and taking care of your health. So if you are completing your daily protein requirement, that is 1 gram of protein for every kg of your weight, and that is valid even if you are living a sedentary lifestyle. So if you're fulfilling that requirement, then you are taking your health to a really next level. So at the same time, if you are exercising every day for 5 to 10 minutes, that's for a beginner level, and then taking it to 20 to 30 minutes every day, and then you are taking it to another level. And if you are at the same time meditating every day for 5 to 10 minutes or 20 minutes, then you are taking to an extremely next level. So combining all three will make you physically fit and at the same time stress free, so that you can focus on your studies very well. So this is the incentive. With that being said, let's start with the first meal of the day. So the first meal of the day should be king size, so that you don't feel hungry after 3 to 4 hours of eating your breakfast. So what I recommend is protein cereal, because you can just put protein in a cereal bowl and then add milk to it. So I eat Kellogg's protein cereal, which has around 10 grams of protein per serving, and adding milk added to about 15 to 16 grams. So next, I also sometimes eat boiled eggs along with it. It takes no time to cook. So you can leave it on the stove for 10 minutes, make a timer for 10 minutes, and then get back to the stove and then break it and then eat the eggs. So I recommend eating only egg whites. Skip the egg yolk, and you should not eat more than 2 egg yolks, that is the yellow portion, in a day. So now that's the breakfast, and now we can move forward to the lunch. So for the lunch, I usually cook for the entire week on Sundays. So I will recommend that you should cook stuff like paneer, dal, dal is pulses, or any Indian curry, you can say, that you can eat with rice. And at the same time, I recommend brown rice, which is rich in protein and fiber. So I cook rice every single day, but you can cook rice for 2 to 3 days as well. So I cook brown rice every day, and I cook in the evening and keep it ready for the next day's afternoon. So it takes no time to cook rice at all. I just keep it on the stove for 10 minutes, make a timer for 10 minutes, and then keep stirring or keep doing my work. So it is really easy. So the main difficult part is to cook curry that you can do every Sunday. I usually cook chicken or paneer, that is really rich in protein, and I would recommend chicken breast if you are non-vegetarian, and paneer or tofu if you are vegetarian. So that was lunch. So now after lunch, you will need fruit. If you're in office or you are in your school, you can take a snack break. So you can eat banana, apple, whatever you can carry in your bag. You can just put it in your bag and eat. Once you're done with one class or you're in office, you can take a 5 minutes break around 3 to 4 p.m. So that can be a short break for snacks. Then if you're working even more, then you can, at 6 p.m. you can eat protein bar, and protein bars are not that expensive, and they have good protein bars with nuts. So I eat the protein bar with 10 grams of protein, and it's really good. And if you don't want to eat protein bar, you can eat peanut butter sandwich. So you can just buy multigrain bread and add some peanut butter into it. So multigrain bread is really good because that can replace the Indian roti. So it is really rich in protein, and I have seen multigrain breads here with 5 grams of protein in just one slice of bread. So those are really good. So that will be your almost close to the dinner. You will be done with snacks. As we talked about 6 p.m. snack, that was peanut butter sandwich, or you can say protein bar. So once you're done with that, in dinner you can once again eat protein cereal. So again, this protein cereal, or you can get better protein cereals than this, and add milk, and you can eat it easily. And at night also you can cook some boiled eggs and you can add it to it. Just once again, egg whites at night will be recommended. So that will be the complete diet for you in your day. This is also good if you're doing very extensive workout. So considering if you're doing heavy weightlifting, then you can eat more eggs and satisfy your protein requirements, and it will be really good diet for sure, I promise. And it's really easy. So I've been able to manage this diet, this healthy diet, and able to work out and do meditation every day for the last 3 months, and I feel really fit and stress free, and I'm able to concentrate on my work very well now. So these are the some tips that I wanted to give you so that you can study well and find a job easily after your graduation. So with that being said, that's pretty much it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.